let's head underground and have the or fall underground and hurt yourself. That's even better. Great. So, time to head underground and get on the way. Be on my way. If you weren't here for last episode, I fought a blood moon and I got a money trough. Trough, I don't know what it said. I also bought a piggy bank from the merchant for even more space. So that'll help when our inventory runs out of space. Hello there, flying fish. Why am I even bothering to attack you? Yeah, I'm not really sure if there's anything worth of interest down there. Headed down in the mine with this space gun that costs no mana. Hello there, little slimes. Ow. Oh, I forgot this thing penetrates. Yeah, that's so neat. 2 gold deposits. Can't remember which episode that's from. I just remember it was from one of my episodes. It'd be nice if I could find a floating island. No, black slime, stay away. Ow. It's shooting everything but the slime, wow. Ow. Still took full damage there. Do I have to take full damage in water? I don't think so. Bit of demonite there. Am I out of torches? No, I'm not. Just them in water. I heard of that. I'm gonna go this way. No, hop a light, no. Ow. It's either that thing. Oh, it's because this thing is extremely weak, not back. Let's see if I can make anything interesting. Not really. Sticky bombs is the only thing useful. Do I still have sticky? Yep, I have 1. Go, sticky dynamite! Do something useful, please. I guess I can mine down. Yeah, I flooded a cavern. What's in here? Yes, lava. It's over there. No, I didn't bring iron buckets. Oh, but I did bring iron. Maybe I can craft a quick anvil. See, workbench. Oh, that's annoying. That'll do. Hopefully. There we go. Don't exactly need a furnace. Come on, come on. Where's the anvil? Here it is. Oh, now I have to hack another thing. Okay, anvil, get down there. Okay, there we go, buckets. 1 bucket should do. Now all I need to do is find out a way to get over there. Preferably with bombs. How many bombs? Oh, I don't have that many left, actually. Come on, towards the lava. Should be enough. there. Oh, come on, get through already, please. I need to get to that lava. There we go. Now all we have to do is not manage to fall in it and burn ourselves. What? There we go. Got our lava. And we also got a deeper path. Now time to fight King Slime again. Hopefully this goes a lot better. Can't make any promises though. Oh, come on! I'm just gonna go around the other way. Just make a bit more platforms across. Should be good to go. There we go, that should be good, hopefully. Where to put this? Here. Have a dig room? No? Okay. See anything I don't need? Hammer, gold star, gel. I need the healing potions, which I actually don't have that much. Wow. Yeah, make a few. Oh, I don't have glass or sand. Never mind. Oh, that should do. Maybe I have some in the chest over here. No healing potions. No, where are they? Well, this is not gonna go well at all. Without healing potions. Well, might as well try and hopefully not fail. No buffs? Okay. Oh god, that scared me. Get up before he kills me. No! Wow. Just wow. Just wow. Oh my god. That was just... Well... That went badly. Gosh, I'm gonna make another crown. Nope, stay away. Slimes. Oh my god, that went very badly. No, but I really need that king slime melt. Just gonna make a lot more crowns. Here we go. Okay. Okay, there are 2 slime crowns. And I can't remember. Oh, all I know is that you're gonna do a lot more gel with that. Yeah, okay. That did not go well at all. Now I have no way of getting across this. Except using the platform. I got no better idea. This time I'm gonna spawn him in the middle. Oh my god, that went badly. Oof. Yep, still not enough gel. I really spent a lot on that. Oh, thank god I didn't die of fall damage. Okay, yeah, now I have a more effective way of getting across. And around. Let's see, oh yeah, the merchant sells healing potions. Wow, that went very badly. Nope. Yep. That ended badly. Ow. I'm on fire. Yay. Wait, it's raining. How am I on fire? Seal. Oh god, that went very badly. Oh, I guess I could buy grenades from you. You have a decent amount of money. Wow, that went completely terribly. Why? Well, time to head to the corruption again. Hopefully not die. That went very badly. Actually, give me a second. Is there corruption on the other side of the world? Yes, another slime. I need the gel. Oh, only 3. Man, I thought I'd be running low on gel. Oh, look at the strange plants. I wonder what type of dial I can get next from him. See, I should have another strange plant in one of these chests. So strange plants in the purple range. Sort. Yeah, not here. Sort. I should have another strange plant. Maybe I don't. Copper dye. Is that better than... Whoops. Yeah, that's better. Is that better than obsidian dye? Oh, yeah, that looks better. How much would this cost? 2. Oh well. Well, neat. Let's get a little effect. Well, I'm gonna have to head to the corruption again. So I guess it's time to go there. Ow. Well, actually, looking at the time, yeah, I really gotta stop. So, I guess we'll do this in the next episode, which I believe should be released Wednesday. So, next episode. I'm probably gonna focus on getting better at killing slime. Maybe get a corruption if I know again. So to make this arena a little better, I'll end the episode. So, until next time, bye.